The fall is an exceptional time of year to apply the Cleanse from Turf Fuel. So Cleanse is a true soil remediation system. When you apply the Cleanse, it works to break down the hydrophobic organic acid coatings that have formed throughout the growing season. So as the soil naturally ages, it begins to collect hydrophobic organic acid coatings on the sand particles or the soil particles. And what happens there is that soil particle loses its polarity. So now when water comes into the soil, it can't really stick to it because water's a charged item. So what the Cleanse does is it strips that coating off and allows that coating to have a charge again. So now water can adhere to it. The neat thing about Cleanse is if you look at a contact angle of Cleanse, you'll see that it has adequate ability to fully cover a sand particle coating, and then the materials or the strippers in Cleanse can get to work on removing that hydrophobic organic acid coating. We recommend about 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet, 1 or 2 applications in the fall time, another application in the springtime, and if you need to, if you have really severe localized dry spot, periodically throughout the season. We've got excellent university field data to show exactly how Cleanse works and its ability to help re-wet and to combat localized dry spot in a root zone. So for more information on the Cleanse, you can visit our website at www.turffuel.com or talk to your local Target Specialty Products representative.